We often struggle with obtaining data from image-based PDF documents. In this video, I'll show you a method for extracting this data into an Excel spreadsheet using the OCR feature in PDFelement. Let's get started. First, at the Startup menu, I'm going to import my image by clicking on Create PDF. Click Perform OCR at the top over here to make the file editable. Make sure that the editable text box is selected. Hit OK. Once the process finishes, you'll notice the text can be easily selected. Now navigate to the Convert tab and select to Excel to begin converting. Once the conversion is complete, head to the Output folder and find the converted Excel sheet. That's it! Now your PDF has been converted into an easy-to-edit Excel spreadsheet. If you can learn this trick, you'll never get stuck trying to obtain data from image-based PDFs again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for other useful ways to improve your daily routine working with PDFs. Thanks, and see you next time!